Whether it was a guest request or your own internal need, Airbnb reservations can be changed directly from Guesty. There are 3 types of alterations you can manage in Guesty: guest requests, your own alteration requests, and internal changes that will only appear in Guesty. With the first type, approve or decline any alteration requests made by the guest in the inbox on the right side widget, in the multi-calendar right here, or on the reservation page right here. With the second type, create a new request to change the reservation's dates or number of guests, move it to a different available listing in the same Airbnb account, or cancel it. In the inbox right side widget, in the multi-calendar, or in the reservation page, click here, choose Request Edit, make the relevant changes in this pop-up, and click Next. Here, review the new estimated price of the reservation. When ready, click here, and the request will be sent to Airbnb and to the guest for approval. Refresh the page to see the status of your request, and scroll down to see it in the reservation log. To edit an active request, you must first cancel it by clicking here, and then create a new updated request. If you want to cancel the reservation completely, click here and choose Request Cancellation. Fill in the information in this pop-up, and then click here to send out the request. And with the third type, make changes to an Airbnb reservation that will only appear in Guesty and will not affect the guest, so no approval is needed for them. Click here, choose Edit Reservation, make the relevant changes, and then click Save. Keep in mind, the guest will not be notified about these internal changes, and they will not sync to Airbnb, so any changes made in Airbnb will override them in Guesty. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.